Stripe Instant Payout. So Stripe Instant Payouts is a convenient way to access your funds quickly, making it an invaluable tool for businesses needing flexibility with their cash flow. Let's dive into the process to get you set up efficiently. First, you need to open up your web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website at stripe.com. Or you can also search for Stripe Instant Payouts and it will take you to the official website, or just simply search for Stripe and then go with stripe.com. You'll get this kind of interface. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and then you will have a sign in option. Click on sign in. Go ahead and click on it. And as you prepare to access your account, next you'll need it will direct you to log into your account. So enter your email address and your password. After entering your information, go with sign in. Wait for a few seconds. Make sure that you've entered the correct email address associated with your Stripe account. And it will log you into your account. Now it will lead you to your Stripe dashboard once you've logged in, right? Find yourself at the home section of your dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the balance tab, which will be on the left side right here. Click on the balances, often located in the main navigation menu. Clicking on balances will give you an overview of your current funds available for payouts and any other financial information your business might need. To receive instant payouts, you need to ensure you have a bank account linked to your Stripe account. Simply click on Add Bank Account, which should be visible in the Balance section. Select the option that works for you to add your bank account details securely. Alternatively, if you prefer a more detailed route, you can navigate to the settings within your dashboard. So on your dashboard, you need to just go with your settings, which will be in the top right. And from the settings, you will have an option to add your bank account or link your bank account. You need to just go in, add it. Locate the account settings option. Here you will find the business settings. When you click on it, business, you'll see the option for the linked external accounts. So under settings, you need to click on businesses right here. And under businesses, you'll find linked external accounts. It's another place where you can manage or add new bank accounts for your payouts. Continue by selecting Manage Payout Accounts, where you will further see the option to add a bank account. Adding your bank account will ensure that your instant payout can be processed smoothly to your preferred account. Finally, it's crucial to set up your payout schedule to ensure your funds reach when you need. Options typically include daily, weekly, monthly, depending on what's best for your cash flow needs. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.